Now we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, if we refer to our analysis when the price was here, since we have been looking for, I mean, we have been in buy from here, whether with the breakout of this top or here, when the price was at this range, we mentioned if the traders, if they want to keep the trade, at least move the stop loss to break even or take out the profit, because we mentioned maybe the price can move for big correction, and exactly what's we happen, what exactly what we are expected to happen, but it dropped more than what we were expected. All right, because even if we move to 15 minutes, we point that the way it's moving is very corrective, even we point on the divergence. All right, now we want to see how we can trade it. What's the next? And if we move to daily chart, okay, now we have been within this move. Now we want to see whether this is a correction related to this for next move, or the price can retest this low. Mostly we're expecting the correction for continuation, not reversal. Okay, and even if we move to 50 forward chart, even we point in my last analysis, we point that if we put this one in relative to this, based on what I have here, we have a divergence. That's why we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, but MACD doesn't show us anything. All right, and even right now we want to see what's the next. And if we put our trend line here, now we can see if we can put this one in relative to this, because we didn't have most of the chart, we have this one, but this one, I mean this running flat, but for Bitcoin Cash, we didn't have it, because whatever we have here, we mentioned we cannot put this in relative to this. That's why we were expected to get one more drop similar to what we have here, exactly what we get. And now we want to see how deep it can go. Even the price, the possibility the price can broke this low, become deeper and broke the trend line. As we know, the trend line is indicative. Okay, then, but if we get any reversal, this is what we are more interested to look for buy. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we want to see how we can trade. Actually, there was a few trades set up for sell, all right, and especially here. But anyway, from now, I don't think it's good to look for sell. But anyone is, if they get the correction, they want to look for sell, they consider it as a short term. But we prefer to look for buy. And the only way we can look for buy, if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. One of the options is to put our trend line here. Any reversal, we can look for buy with the breakout and sharp move or flag, or similar to what we have here. If the prices start to correct, any sharp move with a small correction, we can look for buy. Everywhere there is similar to what we have here. There is a second opportunity. Okay, that means if we see any reversal from here and with the breakout of the trend line, we can look for buy. And the question is how deep it can go. Even I mentioned, still we can expect the price to drop some more and even break this low, which is 1509. That's why if we want to look for buy, we need to see the reversal and trade setup. Rather than that, we cannot jump into the trade. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.